We'll guide you through how to make 3D Chrome in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape on your computer and create a new document to begin the design process. Select the text tool and type your desired text clearly on the canvas. Choose a bold font to ensure the effect looks strong, and increase the font size to make it large and easy to see. Center the text on the canvas so it becomes the main focus. Convert the text to a path so you can edit its shape freely. Duplicate the text and keep one copy as a backup for safety. Select the main text and open the Fill and Stroke panel to begin styling. Change the fill to a linear gradient and add multiple gradient stops to build a chrome effect. Use colors like white, light gray, dark gray, and white again to create a reflective look. Adjust the gradient direction carefully so the light appears realistic. Add strong highlights at the top edges and place darker tones in the middle to simulate reflection. Duplicate the text again, scale it slightly bigger, and send it behind the main text. Change its color to dark gray or black, then go to the Filters menu and add blur to create a soft shadow effect. Duplicate the front text once more and add small white shapes as reflections on the surface. Lower the opacity of these shapes to achieve a realistic shine. Optionally, use gradient mesh for more detailed lighting control. Finally, group all elements together to keep everything organized. Then export your design as a PNG file or keep it as an SVG for future editing. Make sure each gradient stop is blended smoothly to avoid harsh transitions and keep the chrome surface clean and polished. You can slightly tweak the position of each stop until the reflections look balanced and natural. When adjusting the shadow blur, avoid making it too strong so it does not overpower the main text. Keep checking the overall composition by zooming in and out to maintain visual consistency. If needed, adjust alignment again before finalizing to ensure everything stays perfectly centered and visually appealing for best final results.